Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup routine. This is mostly my springtime, summertime fun, makeup routine, and I feel like it looks really cute. It gives you mature 90s vibes. It looks really good. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys all the products included, everything, and also if you guys want to check out this hair video, it will be up soon. I did do the full process of how I got the color and edges, everything. So yeah, I'm going to have that video up soon for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Share this video with your friends so we all can slay this natural makeup look. This is like a bronzy skin makeup, and yeah, so let's get right into this video. I don't have nothing long to talk about, so yeah, let's get right into this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna just do a quick everyday makeup look. For my everyday makeup look, I don't use a lot of makeup, so this is gonna be very quick, and I literally just got one comment asking me to do this video and I was pressed. The first thing that I do is my skincare routine. If you guys want to see my skincare routine, comment down below and I'll just make a new dedicated video for that, because it's really different. Like every single time I come up with a new skincare routine, I literally make a video. So just let me know if you guys want to see that and I will definitely make it tomorrow. So I do the skincare routine. I do not put on any primer just because it's not a lot of makeup. I am going to be using a sponge today. So the first thing that I like to do is go ahead and color correct. So I take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector, and I'm gonna put this everywhere that I have dark marks and underneath my eyes a little bit. Okay, and I really like to look I love looking very glowy, so I go in with the Hello Halo highlight. This is their Mega Glow highlight in the color Go With The Glow. I got this from CVS, my local drugstore. I'm gonna put this everywhere that I want to be highlighted because I want my face to be very glowy and just give off that sun-kissed type of look. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I go in with the Beauty Blender and I blend that in. I did not use the Beauty Blender for my color correct just because the Beauty Blender be picking up the products and I don't need the color correct to disappear. So I'm just going to press this into my skin. And this is what gives me that glow. Like, oh yeah, your skin is glowing. It's the highlighter. But because it's liquid, it's melting on top of the skin like skin. And then I'm going to use my finger first to just blend this because it's a little bit too much product. And then I'm going to push this up. And then now I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm going to use a little bit to put it on top the areas that I put the color correction. And I'm also going to use my finger to blend this out. And then I'm gonna take my Sephora Micro Smooth, and I'm gonna use this to put under my eyes, just because under my eyes crease and my other sides of my face don't crease like that, my smile lines and under my eyes. So I'm gonna use the sponge, the pointy edge, and I'm just gonna pick it up like so, and I'm gonna put it right underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Earth, and I'm gonna put that to bronze, not really bronze, but like give me a little depth in my face, just because I shaved my face and the hairs that grow right here are not there anymore. So I put like a small line like that, and I put it down my nose. I'm not gonna put it up here because I don't want anything on my hairline. So I'm gonna take my same sponge where I blended out the highlight, and I'm going to push this into my skin like so. And then I'm gonna use a brush to blend out my nose. I'm gonna use this flat foundation brush from Real Techniques. And now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I don't really do much to my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are very dark for this hair, but I don't feel like coloring them in. I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place Warrior palette. I'm gonna use the color Cano, this one, and I'm gonna try to put it on my brows and see how that's gonna look, because I feel like my eyebrows are too dark. And then I'm going to clean it up with the same LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I feel like this goes much better with this hair. It gives more of like a bronzy type of look. Just gently clean it up. The next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same color Mino, and I'm going to put it, my brush just broke. I'm gonna use that to like warm up my face a tiny bit. And also passing it under my eyes. I mean, yeah, on my eyelids. Okay, and then the last thing that I like to do this regardless of any makeup look that I'm doing. I like adding orange to my face because I just feel like it makes me look way more bronze. So I'm going into the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette, and I'm going to use these two orangey shades right here. I'm going to mix them together, and I'm going to put them where like you would blush. So I'm just going to press it in, knock out some of the excess, and gently, don't push it too much, we're gonna build it. Gently start from like your eyebrow area and bring it down. So like so. And then put it over on the other side. Gently start from like the tip of your brow and bring it down. Okay, just like that. And then I like to go at the tip of my nose in a circle, and then my chin. Put some right over my eyebrow And that's basically it. This might be too much for some people, but I like my face to look like I'm blushing all the time, or like I'm sunburned if I was white. Okay, so this is basically the look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips. Lips are super simple. I'm just gonna be using a combination of the MAC Chestnut lip liner and also just this clear gloss. So that's my lip combination, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys a little bit more, but that's basically my look. Okay. For my eyes, I like using the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. I use it for my top and bottom lashes, and that's it. I don't put on any lashes when I'm doing a natural look. I do sometimes, but I feel like recently I just like how it's like this. So yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the end look. This is how my face is normally not this orange. I put a little bit too much blush, but this is my everyday makeup routine, especially for the springtime, the summertime, and the fall time. Sometimes I do full coverage makeup as well, but I just feel like when I be sweating, this look looks even more good, because even if you're sweating, it looks good because it looks like skin. So yeah, this is the look. This is the products that I use. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, the information for this hair will be in my next video or the video before this, because I did color this hair myself. I recorded the full process and everything, so you guys can see the process of getting the hair to this color and me doing the edges, because I wanted to try out my curly wispy edges tutorial on this wig, and I think it looks pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Don't mind me.